Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to transfer money from Citibank to HSBC in 2025. With banking apps getting smarter and more secure, this process has become quicker than ever, but it's still easy to get tripped up if you're not prepared. Whether you're moving funds for investments, bills, or just switching banks, I'll guide you through it step by step. So, grab your phone or computer, and let's dive in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Citibank account. Open the Citibank mobile app or visit their website, and enter your username and password. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, which I highly recommend for security, you'll get a code on your phone to verify your login. Once you're in, navigate to the Transfers or Payments section. This is usually front and center in the dashboard. Look for an option like External Transfer or Wire Transfer. In 2025, Citibank has updated their interface to make this even more user-friendly, so you might see a new Quick Transfer feature. Next, select HSBC as the recipient bank. You'll need to enter the HSBC account number, routing number, and the name of the account holder. Double-check these details to avoid any delays or fees. Nothing's worse than a transfer bouncing back. If you're transferring internationally, be prepared to provide additional info like SWIFT codes. Now, enter the amount you want to transfer and review any fees. In 2025, expect potential charges for wire transfers, which could range from $15 to $50 depending on the amount and speed. Citibank often offers faster options for a premium, so choose what fits your needs. Hit Confirm, and follow any on-screen prompts, like verifying with a PIN or biometric scan. The transfer might process instantly for domestic moves or take 1 to 3 business days for international ones. Keep an eye on your Citibank account for confirmation emails or notifications. A few quick tips. Always check your HSBC account afterward to ensure the funds arrived, and consider setting up bank-to-bank links in advance for future ease. If you run into issues, Citibank's 24/7 chat support is a lifesaver. And there you have it, money transferred hassle-free. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more finance tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.